It is day 6. We're making it on our knees, but we're making it. So it's early in the morning and I'm gonna catch a quick workout today in Jose's gym. But I'm gonna go and like remove all the leaves and stuff because it's a freaking mess. I'm just gonna get like a little workout just so I don't start slacking, I guess. Keeping the routine, keeping it coming. By the way, I found the tripod. It wasn't missing. I bought a pouch for my camera and I put the tripod in there and I forgot that I had put it in there. So it wasn't until yesterday when I was, what was I doing? Putting the batteries away. And I was like, oh shit, the tripod's in here. I don't know how to turn on the blower or else I would use the blower. Put on some music. We are done. So I only did like about an hour and it's okay. You know, it's better than nothing. It's a little jump rope, deadlifts, lunges and squats. But yeah, now while I was working out, I noticed that my grill and my flat top are just like there, exposed to like everything. So I'm gonna try to clean those up right now. Organize the cuartito because it's a huge mess. You can't get in there. I will show you. I will show you guys. No worries. We got Joseph this little thing. It's super fruit and veggie vitamin blend. Blueberry. And he likes to grab the little container. He goes, granddad's, blueberries, raspberries. Like, yeah, boy, something you don't eat. But anyways, do I have food in my mouth? before I do anything else in this house, I'm gonna make me a nice hot bowl of menudo. We got the ugliest bowl possible, but it's okay because the menudo stains my bowls. We're gonna do the lemon, some chile en aceite. I also like to do no regrets sauce. It's a Scorpion Carolina Reaper hot sauce. I love when my asshole burns. We need onion and cebolla. Did I just say onion and cebolla? I meant to say cilantro and cebolla. I'm gonna do radishes too. Whenever I eat caldos, I like them like literally burning my esophagus. Like they have to be boiling and spicy. Like as it's going down, I want to be like throwing out fire. That's not normal. I know. Who said I was? Woo, nice and spicy. All right, I'm gonna finish this and then I'm gonna take you guys to go do a little organizing. I'm planning to clean the cuartito. I'm also gonna fix Joseph's clothes and then get rid of the one that doesn't fit him because the sweater he has right now does not fit him. And then we're gonna probably go to the Goodwill and donate it there. What else? But yeah, that's what the plan is for today. So this is the cuartito, guys. Yeah, this is all him. This is all my husband. I have everything. This is just for all my kitchen equipment that I do not use. But then he comes and starts throwing bullshit everywhere, making it impossible for me to get through my stuff. So sometimes I have to like either throw it over because I can't get through it, and we're gonna clean it up for the gazillionth time. That way he can come and fuck it up all over again. So far I just cleaned the path here, so now I can get to the gritty dirty. These are my mega big ass pots. I'm gonna throw this comal away. I have like 30 of them. Hi husband, I'm cleaning up your mess. And why are you standing there clipping your nails? Look, Look, he has his torch. And he has his box and the torch, but the torch is not inside of the box. He also has CDs. I have my syrups. Honestly, low-key, the only reason why I'm like volunteering to clean up his mess is because I need to figure out what stuff we have, like what other snow gear we have, because I always buy gear. I just don't know where I leave it. I put it away, I just don't know where. So I have to go through all of my totes to see where that snow gear is at, to see what we need to buy, what we don't need to buy. That's the only reason why I volunteered. Plus, I need to get through this shit. I have my Rachel Ray Bahia. I'm only gonna open it. I didn't open it. I put it in here because it doesn't fit where I have all of my pots and pans. I have a lot of equipment, guys. I had to get rid of my dining room table because it was either dining room table where your whole family can eat, or your pots and pans so you can make food for your family. So I decided for my pots and pans because these mother don't even eat at the dining room table. They eat on the couch. So I have racks where I have everything on there, but I got 2 big giant racks at Costco. Nothing fits on them anymore. I need a bigger house because we outgrew this one. This one's like, this one's little, guys. I found skateboards. Look, Joseph, a baby skateboard for you. Look.
Ow. Yay.
Wow. Tell Papi to show you.
Not with that one. That was too fast. Get on this one. Come on.
Try.
Try. Come on.
Try, baby. Try.
Ready? Let's go. Okay, ready? We're gonna go up. Ready?
Guys, my husband used to be a skater back in the day. Papi's gonna show you how to do a trick.
Black cat. Hey, it's a black cat.
Go, Papi, show us how you ollie.
Ollie.
If you guys wondering if he has busted his ass, he has. Look. Perfect example.
Yeah, there's a big ass crack.
Yeah. That's yeah. Come on, man. Get it together.
That's nice. I'm out of breath.
Oh, man. Let me see, Papi. You do it like that. Do it like that. What was Papi doing?
Look, it's fucking loose. Look. I think it's because I'm too heavy. I'm not cycling 50 pounds. I can't do it.
Papi, I just think your knees need a little bit of WD-40.
WD-40.
Yeah, that. It's funny how contagious cleaning can be. I have, let me see. I have organized all of like that. I'm still working on this area. But check out, I'm cleaning, and when I'm cleaning, getting ready or anything, I always watch YouTube, like murder mystery stuff. That motherfucking fly. And I'm watching the case of Junior, the little boy, the 15-year-old boy who was killed in the Bronx. The one, I swear, when that case came out, my heart freaking hurt so bad. Like, I don't know what it was with this case. Joseph, what are you doing? I don't know what it was with that case, but it really hurt my heart, what happened or what they did to that poor little boy. But That's what I'm watching right now. And I'm almost done cleaning here. Do you guys, I'm gonna show you why I was fired from doing the laundry. I haven't done laundry. That's the only thing I don't do here at the house. I don't do laundry. My husband does it. He washes, dries, folds, and puts clothes away. And he'll do it all in one day. I was fired years ago because I couldn't complete the task. I would wash, but then I would forget the clothes in the washer, and then it would stink and I have to rewash it. And then I would go and dry it, and then I would leave it in the dryer. And then my husband would be like, hey, I need work shirts. When are you washing? I'd be like, oh, I did wash them. They're in the dryer. And then I would go pull them out all wrinkled. And he was like, yeah, this cannot happen anymore. I will do the laundry from now on. And I said, say less. I hate doing laundry. I would rather freaking count the ants outside of my house than to do the laundry. But there is times where I do have to do it because, like, for example, if I have to wash the cleaning rags from the kitchen, because, you know, like, I'm cooking, I'm cleaning, I'm washing, and I have cleaning rags in there, so I'll wash those. But I do the same thing. I'll wash them and then I'll leave them in the washer. I don't purposely do it. I literally forget. I'll remember like days later, or I'll remember when I come out and my husband did this to them. He'll do this to them. He's a jerk. Instead of pulling them out and washing them, or folding them for me, he piles them on top of the dryer. So I see them and I fold them and put them away. But the joke's on him because I see them, but I won't fold them and put them away till right now because I'm cleaning the cuartito. So this is what I was able to get done. So I organized all of these instead of having them on the freaking walkway, husband. You know, this is what you do, sir, with the stuff. Then we have all of my extra plastic containers for packing lunch in there. That's a new bahia of pots and pans from Rachel Ray. I was gonna take them out, but like I said, they do not fit inside of the house, so I'm just gonna leave them in here until we move out. And this is like a little shed, guys. I don't know, I keep saying cuartito, but that's just what I know it as. It's like a little shed where we just keep junk, basically, or all of our extra BS, like totes up there that have bullshit. So what about
Wow, T-Rex.
yellow T-Rex? What about this one?
Rubber bitch.
Oh, yours. What about this one?
Three horns.
3 horns. Stegosaurus.
Yeah, got yes.
Yeah. So this was all the clothes that I was able to get out of Joseph's cajones. That doesn't fit him anymore, so we'll be donating this to the Goodwill. But that is it, guys. That's gonna be it for today's vlog. I don't want to drag you guys around throughout the whole house doing chores. Sounds pretty boring if you ask me. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, follow me on everything, and that's it. Bye.